In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain how Claude Cowork is so different than ChatGPT and how it gets work done for you. There are 3 things you need to know and only 2 things to get started. So to get started, download the Claude desktop app for your Mac or Windows computer at claude.ai/download. Then create an account and log in. You also are going to need a brain to pay attention for the next 4 minutes as I blow your mind and show you how Cowork is going to save you so much time. Okay, so you've downloaded Cowork, you've logged in. Sorry, you've downloaded Claude because that's the app, but Cowork is the button you want to click in the top of the app to get started with this. On the left-hand side, you're going to see the Customize button right here. Click on Customize because that's how you connect your tools. So once you hit Customize, click Connect Your Tools, and you'll see there are so many options here. Gmail, Google Calendar, Canva, Figma, HubSpot, Monday.com, Netlify, N8N, Zapier, Gamma, Asana, Trello. All these different tools can be connected so easily. All you do is you click the little add button and then you log in and you're connected. You want to connect tools so it can actually do things for you. So that's the first piece. You want to connect your tools. Next up, you're going to click on New Task, and this is where you can write what you want to do. So as an example, I have Google Calendar connected, and it also can make Word docs. So I'm going to say, send an invite to ben@bencanhelp.com for 16 minutes tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Cool. Then write a doc into my computer that says how to use tools, skills, and files within Cowork. Okay, now watch. I'm going to click Let's Go. And you'll see this sidebar is going to load on the right side. 3 important things. In the top, you'll see the progress. It's actually going to make an SOP or a checklist for itself of tasks to do. Second, we're going to see what folder it's working in on my computer. So I previously selected the Downloads folder, and it can read and write to my Downloads folder. So if I wanted to access some particular files, I don't have to drag and drop them like I did with ChatGPT. I can just say, hey, go read this document or go read these 10 spreadsheets and do that. Cool. Now it's going to say it's also using the schedule meeting skill. So skills are like recipes, and I have an entire video about that on my channel. That's what you want to do. You do one task the first time, then you say save this as a skill. So you can see real quick, this is happening so fast on the right side, waiting for title approval for the calendar event. 2, it's creating the Word doc, and 3, it'll make the calendar invite. So it said for the calendar invite, given the context, I'm thinking Cowork, tools, skills, and files. I'm going to say good with me, enter. Okay, as I do that, we'll see that on the right side, this final part right here where the context is, that's the skills or recipes right here. And then we're going to see also the tools. In this case, Google Calendar is going to show up here in a second because it's going to realize, oh, I need to use Google Calendar in order to send that invite. I can leave this. I can actually have multiple chats going on at once. So I can click on New Task, and that one will continue to run in the background, no problem. So you can run as many things as your computer can handle automatically. So I'm just going to reply again. I don't know why it glitched, but I'm just going to say title is good. Okay. Once it has approval, it will add the Google Calendar tool. And you can see that we're still under 4 minutes of time, and it's still going to work for me. So we're just waiting. Maybe my Wi-Fi is going a little slow, but we can see that it's figured out. Title is good, title approved, and we'll see Google Calendar show up right here in the context under connectors. Give it 1 second, or 5, 4. There we go. Google Calendar connector is showing up. And you'll see also in the top here in the downloads folder in just a few seconds, we'll have a Microsoft document show up. So here we go. They are both completed. The invite has been sent. And if we check the progress in the top right, invite has been sent. The Microsoft Word document has been created, and I can click on the document. It's actually already saved to my computer. It's just in my downloads folder, and that's it. So here is Cowork by Claude, a guide to tools, skills, and local files. If you want me to email you this, just let me know. I'm happy to send it to you for free. Just leave a comment on this video. And that's it. It is completely done in less than 5 minutes. You can download it, connect your tools, ask it to do something for you, and watch as it does a Google Calendar invite and a document creation for you in just one easy prompt right on your computer. Cowork is going to blow your mind. If you have questions about it, leave a comment below or email me, ben@bencanhelp.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for subscribing. Peace.